and welcome back to my channel. So, good morning friends, and I am in Solapur, and here I'm getting one nice cup of tea. Kaja. So I'm having a cup of tea, coffee. They don't have tea, so Chacha is giving me a cup of coffee. Acha coffee. This is the coffee. And this is Solapur station. Morning, a cup of coffee. I don't know how is this. Let me taste it. Yeah, really good. Lot of sugar, but that's okay. Here's my train. It will stop here for I think 10 to 15 minutes. Already late. It's about 15 to 20 minutes late. Solapur is still in Maharashtra state. And from here, now the next is Akkalkot, and then it will enter the Karnataka state. So this is my compartment here. So friends, let me show you what they sell in the morning here for breakfast. That's the South Indian breakfast. Let me show you. This is the general compartment. So unreserved, you just get a place to sit. This is, she's selling idli, vada, chutney, sambar. Here is tea. Here there are some biscuits. Biscuits, so many things. So this is the general compartment. Nice chutney.
May I have your attention please? 12627 Bangalore 9 Delhi Express is arriving shortly on platform number 2.
अरे चाय दे देना. So friends, I am having a cup of chai. क्या नाम आपका?
बोलो सर.
क्या नाम आपका?
शिवा.
Shiva. So Shiva is giving me a cup of chai. So nice cup of chai. Now he's going inside. Very hot.
मर्या आलो आम्ही दारी तुझा निर्मळ करगे मजला वसुली अंतरी माझा मुखी तुझे नाव मजवर केली प्रीती अंधार पडता तुझ विनंती तूच जगाची ज्योती माते मर्या आलो आम्ही दारी तुझ्या निर्मळ करगे मजला वसुनी अंतरी
नमो कृपा पूर्ण मरिये प्रभू तुझ्या ठाई आहे धन्य तू स्त्रियामध्ये आणि धन्य तुझे उदराचे फळे
पवित्र मरिया देवाच्या माते आम्हा पापांसाठी आता आणि आमच्या मरणाच्या वेळी विनंती कर आमेन.
Friends, at last our lunch is ready. So we both are having, and the guys who brought this, the dal and the rice, they have gone out. They are Jains, you know. So something I'll be telling you about that Jain food later on. When I ordered that, I have taken the number. So they, you know, they prepare at home and they deliver it in the train. You won't believe it. Even this food which I ordered, even this food which I ordered has come from a restaurant. So you order it online and it comes from a nearby restaurant on the station, and they deliver it in the train. You might have seen my earlier videos. Uncle? Ranganathan. So I and Ranganathan, we both are eating. He's having veg. So dal, that is the dal and rice. I am having dal, egg curry, chicken cutlet, chapati, and there is one more, samosa. Mr. Ranganathan brought some samosas. So we are enjoying our food in this sarai with the window open window here. Some beautiful art here. Oh, let me show you.
Tamil Nadu culture and
Yeah. So we are enjoying. So that is all about the food in Indian Railway. So how is it? How was the food? Yeah?
very fun.
Very good. And he is retired now. Yeah. So we both are traveling from Mumbai to Chennai. And he lives in Tambaram. Tambaram is a suburb of Chennai. Yeah. So what you were doing?
I am retired health inspector.
Health inspector. Oh yeah, he was a health inspector. So I had to be health conscious. So nice having company with
The
you.
Jains would prepare only sunlight,
Yes.
not for cooking.
Yeah. So after the sunrise, they prepare the food, and after sunset, they don't, cook. So that's very important about this Jain food. Okay, have your food, enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
मेरी बोली चिकन बिरयानी मिलता है मेरी मटन
नाही बरं झालं रे. Friends, why I said when you go by train, I don't go by flight. Even if I get a free ticket, I avoid going by flight, because if you are not, it's not urgent, you should travel by Indian Railway. The reason why I showed you the earlier video on the sleeper class. Today I am traveling by 3-tier AC. So here I met so many friends. One is here next to me. Kaino? Sunil Toscano. Yes. And they are all from Vasai. Yes. And you know where they are going? It's called Velankani, and it is in Tamil Nadu. So every year they go. But because of COVID, they couldn't go to Velankani. And now after 2 years they are going. Yes? Barabar ki nahi? Huh? And here is Mr. Demonte. Kai now tumse? Rocky Gonsalves. So they are all here. They are not only 3 of them. They are total 17. And let me introduce one by one. 1 minute. Bola, Kai now?
Victor Gonsalves.
Victor was retired. And there are 2 here who have retired. So including myself, so two of them. And काय नाव?
सुनील डिब्रेटो.
डिब्रेटो. And काय काम करते हैं?
मुंबई महापालिकेत काम करतो.
Okay, BMC.
हाय ॲडमिन डिमांड
Divanti.
टीचर आहे.
Yeah, he's a teacher, huh?
Teacher.
So we have to respect him because I always respect teachers because two people they have guided us in their life. One is father, mother. Supermost is God Almighty. After that, father and mother, and then the teacher. So we have to respect them.
तरीच आमची बरोबर
They are नंतर Robert Fernandez and
केजरीवालच्या आप पार्टीचे आमचे नालासोपारा विभागाचे अध्यक्ष.
oh, he is from Aam Aadmi Party. Very good. Yes. Xavier Rodriguez.
वसंत कॅथलिक बँकेचे डायरेक्टर.
Oh,
येस येस.
oh, very good.
अदानी पॉवर.
अदानी भवन.
Adani Baba. Okay.
He is also retired.
Andrew. And yeah, he is Provident Fund. Provident Fund. He told me. So, friends, what happened? I was just sitting yesterday night and I heard them praying. So I was just to have my food. I kept the food, came down and recorded that which I'll be showing in this video. I recorded their prayer in night. So whenever we start a journey, they pray. So they also did the same thing. We also do the same thing. And they now I'm so comfortable with them, with all of them, that as if we are friends for so many years. तुम्हाला ट्रेन प्रवास आवडतं का?
ऍक्च्युली ट्रेन प्रवासामध्ये जे नवीन नवीन साथीदार भेटतात त्यामुळे त्या प्रवासात अजून मजा येते. आणि आजचं इन्सिडेंट सांगायचं म्हणजे आज तुम्ही आम्हाला भेटले नाही, आम्हाला एक एंजल भेटलेले आहे.
नाही.
तर आज अचानक आम्हाला मेसेज आला की आमची विमानाची तिकीट ढकललेली आहेत, म्हणजे एक प्रकारे कॅन्सलच झालेली आहे. अशा वेळेला आपण जे आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन केले आणि आमचं जे तिकीट जे 8 तारखेचं तिकीट होतं 8 सप्टेंबरचं ते तिकीट काढण्यामध्ये तुम्ही आम्हाला जी मोठी मदत केलेली आहे, खरोखरच देवाने आमच्यासाठी वेलंकनी माऊलीने पाठवलेले एंजलच
नाही.
थँक्स.
काय माहिती आहे का की कधी कधी आपण येतो, कधी कधी असं ऐकतो की काय झालं तर सोल्युशन तुमच्याकडे पण सोल्युशन असतात. आता ना अँड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, दिस दे ऑल हॅव स्टार्टेड ए small charity, just started a small service by giving bed, that is water bed or maybe hospital beds, wheelchairs, then walkers and commodes, portable commodes. So these are all what they are doing and this is free of charge. Let me tell you, this is all free of charge. Only what they ask you is a small deposit. That deposit, after you return that thing in a good condition, it should be in a good condition. If it is not in a good condition, then you have to pay for the repairs or whatever it is. Otherwise it's completely free. You get your deposit back. So this is something, I tell everyone that you have to do something in your life. In once you don't get a rebirth. We don't believe in rebirth or mostly Christians we don't believe, but Hindus they believe. But when you get a birth, you should do at least one good thing. So this is what they have done. Hats off to you all. So सगळ्यांना खरंच तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी मोठं काम केलंय. This is something very something which as he said expensive. It is very expensive. Such things are very expensive. So this is a charity and they are doing good things. So I'll stop here my video and I'll be interacting with them and I know let me see some good stories I can hear from them. So this station is very important because here they fill water. You can see these guys here. So each compartment is filled. And there's a river here called Krishna. So we'll be passing through this river also. one friend, his name is Mehboob, and he was telling me something interesting. I saw this machine here, and can you see that machine there, the green one? And those days when my father was working in railway, he used to take me to the railway station and show me that machine. That machine had a small ball which used to place, and then the signal is to get cleared. So this machine is still working, right? Abhi bhi chal raha hai ye machine. So he says that machine is still working, even though there is an electronic panel there, the machine is still working there. So,
लेमन राइस
so friends, at last, about 23-hour journey, I reached back by this train, and I am going to take an auto from here. You can see the time now. Thank you very much. Very much. Thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगे है. So, he is Mr. Amit. He was in UAE.
Oh,
5 years he worked there.
Okay, girls. Very good, very good.
So, Amit bhai, thank you very much. ये अमित भाई का रिक्शा है.
How much is that?